If you're wondering how to fix Fortnite high ping problem in 2026, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your current ping and make sure that you have this setting enabled. That way you can always keep a track of it. All you need to do is go to settings, game UI, net debug stats, and turn it on. If that is not the case, Wi-Fi can also cause high ping and packet loss. So you want to use an Ethernet cable to connect to your device directly to your router. If that is not the case, and if there are a lot of different applications running in the background, you can simply go ahead and close it. Again, if that is not the case, then you might need to simply go ahead and change your DNS setting. So in order to go ahead and change it, what you need to do is go to network settings on Windows, adapter options, and right click to your connection properties, and then simply put it to Internet Protocol version 4, and then enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 as your DNS, which is going to be Cloudflare DNS, which is going to be pretty fast. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and select the region with the nearest and the least ping available. If that is not the case, you might need to simply turn on QoS on your router, or even update network drivers, because it can be that serious. If that is not the case, then write out all these commands straight into your command prompt. So ipconfig/flush DNS to flush all the DNS cache, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh winsock reset, and netsh int IP reset, which is going to go ahead and fix all your problems. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.